Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Livewire. Honestly, I don't know what Livewire is. I just created this project and I called it Livewire. This is me just going to take you through how to create a button with HTML, CSS, and Tailwind using the Oomph framework. So let me just quickly explain what just happened here. So in my terminal, as you can see, I typed in Oomph C Livewire, which this goes and creates the Livewire application. I seeded into Livewire the folder just so that I can start running certain commands in there. Now I'm going to, as you can see, I just removed the default code that gets created with Oomph, and I'm now going to start afresh. So Tailwind is by default built into Oomph's framework, and here we shall see I am now going to set the body to width screen, height screen. So what do I mean by that? So as you can see, there's width screen, height screen there, and this tells the body to take up the whole width of the screen as well as the whole height of the screen. We also have flex there. So flex just allows for placement of items in a fluid manner and so that it's flexible across screens. And then we have here item center. We have here item center, justify center. All this is going to put everything smack dab in the center. So now we're going to go and place a button. So there's a default element in HTML called button. We're going to add some class. So all these classes you're seeing you're adding here are Tailwind classes. So P2 stands for padding, okay, and then so padding -2, and then BG stands for background. That is what BG is there for. Okay, so let's control. So every time I say BG, you see background. Let's raise the color to 100. Ignore what just happened there. That's just an update that was happening. Like when I changed padding to 4, that's just to add more extra spacing around the click me words. So padding just adds spacing within the container, which I will show you just now. So now we're just going to go to these. Okay, watch it load. Localhost. Okay, cool. So here I would like to show you, okay, let's change the color of this. So here I would like to show you the width dash screen takes up the whole screen vertically. Justify center, item center, puts everything smack dab in the middle like that. Then we have the next thing about padding. So background gray doesn't work. We're going to change this now to background black because gray didn't look good. But before we do that, let's just give it some roundedness, just to take off an edge, just make it less edgy. And so let's put in black on black. And there we go, background black, but the text is black, so let's make it white. And there we go, text white. Refreshing, and there we go. So now we've got ourselves a button. Now what I would like to show is that this button here, can I zoom in? Yeah, I can. Okay, so this button here, this, let's zoom out and get that. Wait. Okay. So this is padding. Yeah. The contents around like this is the padding we are talking about. So the padding is the area on this side. This is what we call the area I'm highlighting. This outside area is padding. I should probably show you this with DevTools because it is much better. But that was padding. And so with that, we have ourselves a button. If you have any questions, we'll be making this button much more nicer as time goes on. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call a button in HTML CSS.